You know how you sometimes you peel carrots and potatoes and things like that. You have a bunch of peelings. Rather than throwing in a garbage can to the landfill, why not collect them in a small, tiny container and throw in the garden for decompost? A natural way of a cycle for your garden stuff. So why don't we go ahead and do that right now? I am holding just a fruit that left over. I put it in a container in a tight seal so it doesn't smell and all that. But look, I know it looks disgusting, but excuse me for that. But we're gonna throw this in the garden where we can do a natural decompose. So let me show you that where I dug the ground. So here is my garden right here, and I'm ready. I already dug the dirt there, and I'm just going to throw my waste into here. And I got bananas, apple peelings, you name it, eggshells. Oh yeah, some are like woohoo, stinky. So I'm just gonna chop it up a little bit so you can do a nice little decompose a little bit faster. Okay, look, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and bury it now. Okay, it's easy as a pie. Okay, so do that to your garden, and you would have a very good harvest.